Good evening, friends. Anand Thakar here. So, on the eve of Ganesh Chaturthi today, I thought I should create a quick, small, short video of how you can make origami Ganpati from such a piece of paper. So, I will also try to speak in Hindi in between because for a couple of my previous videos, many people suggested that I should also talk in Hindi, though my Hindi is not so good. तो दोस्तों, ये अभी आज गणेश चतुर्थी के अवसर पर मैं ये ओरिगामी गणेश जो मैंने मेरे लड़के से सीखा है, तो ये मैं आपको यहाँ अभी हम करेंगे, okay? And later on, when you see this video, you can pause in between because there are many folds, and in origami, the sequence of folds is very important. So you may have to pause it later on when you do it with your paper. Let's go ahead. So deliberately, I have not used any special paper, in the sense no color paper. I'm just using this normal A4 size, for that matter, one side sheet. This is something, a scrap sheet. Something was printed on the back, but we can use it now. So A4 sheet is normally a rectangular sheet which for most origami purposes it's made out of square paper. So let's make a square out of this, okay? To do that, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fold the smaller side onto the other side, okay, and do this fold. ये मैं इसलिए बता रहा हूँ क्योंकि छोटे बच्चे, स्कूल में जाने वाले स्टूडेंट्स भी ये बहुत आसानी से कर सकेंगे. तो ये छोटे बच्चों को शायद मालूम नहीं रहता है ये चौरस बनाने का, इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ. सो any rectangle you can convert to a square like this, okay? So I'm just going to cut it here now. जैसा मैंने पहले बताया कि एक नॉर्मल हम प्रिंट या जेरोक्स में जो यूज़ करते हैं, तो हमारे घर में तो बहुत ऐसे वेस्ट पेपर तो बहुत जमा होते हैं. फॉर दैट मैटर ये जो है ये भी हम फेंकेंगे नहीं, इसका भी कुछ बनाएंगे बाद में, ओके? So now the square paper is made, okay? So what I'm going to do now is I just did a small unfold so that this becomes flat. Though this is square, when I put it on table, on the video you may observe it as a kind of a rhombus. That's because of the perspective, but it's a square paper. Now what I'm going to do is, this square paper has two equal sides, one here, one here. So just presume that we need to make three parts of this paper. If it is two parts, it is simple, just fold it halfway. But it is three parts, so it's slightly different method. We are not going to use any pencil, we are not going to use any scale either for that. There is a simple trick which I'll tell you for making three folds equal, three parts of this side and also this side. To make that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have ये एक ऐसा अंदाज़ा, एक छोटा फोल्ड मैंने कर लिया है, हाँ, लगभग 1/3 होगा ऐसा. मैं एक टेम्पररी फोल्ड यहाँ कर रहा हूँ, जस्ट अ टेम्पररी फोल्ड हियर, देन फोल्ड दिस साइड ऑल्सो ऑन टू द अदर साइड and try to match the sides to become equal, okay? So ये थोड़ा ट्रायल एंड एरर जैसा होता है. पहले जो अगर ज़्यादा किया होगा तो थोड़ा सा कम ज़्यादा करके अल्टीमेटली दिस, इफ यू सी, दिस इज one part, this is second part, and this is third part, okay?